Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the sidebar and header in Google Sites. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Yeah, so let's jump right in. First, open the Google site you want to edit. Make sure you're signed in with the right Google account, you know? Next, click on the header area at the top of your site. You can change the header type, add a title, or even include a background image. It's all pretty flexible. Now, to edit the sidebar, click on the sidebar menu or the navigation panel. You can add pages, links, or rearrange items to match your site's layout. It's really just drag and drop, yeah. You can also adjust the visibility of the sidebar and header for mobile or desktop views so your site looks good everywhere. Just click the settings gear and explore layout options. And that's it. Editing your sidebar and header in Google Sites is really straightforward once you know where to look. Yeah, I hope this helps you customize your site exactly how you want it. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides.